Hello guys, what's up? It's Asif here again, and good morning everyone. So it's 7 o'clock. I created some videos that who will buy the Fujifilm GFX 100RF, and I ask you that who will buy it, for what purpose? If you know, let me know. But in the night, I thought about it. I thought about the overall segment, the price point that Fujifilm is giving. And at the late night, I got a clue. And that's why I'm creating this video. Now, if you see the lowest priced Leica one, the Leica Q2, it's also cost almost same, a little bit more than that. It's the 5000 camera, and that's a $600 camera. But that also has a fixed lens. So, is Fujifilm copying the Leica, or they just want to give a tough competition to the Leica? That's I am thinking at this point of now. Now, with a $5,000, you are getting a 102 megapixel medium format sensor and a 35 millimeter lens. That's quite good, but the price point is huge, humongously huge, because at that price point you can have the R1, the Sony A9 Mark III, the Nikon Z9. So why in the world you will buy that? But there are some photographers who are core street photographers, and they don't really need A9, because A9 is great, R1 is great, Canon EOS R5 Mark III is great, but all of them are bulkier system. Remember that. Now, if you compare these with the Canon EOS R1 or the Nikon Z9, you will get astonishingly surprising in it. So, can a street photographer use a medium format camera for his or her street photography, and can he use it for his premium work? That's my question, and that's what I am thinking in the late night, because there are many one who love the compactness of Leica. They love the lower portable body, the lighter one with a good lens, and they just want to get on the street and get the best possible performance they can get with the best of the best lenses, with the best of the best sensor, because all of the other camera actually give us APS-C sensor on that segment. So APS-C versus full frame, it's a huge deal for street photography. The dynamic range, the light, the shadows, they really need that. But on that segment, if someone is giving you a medium format, then the dynamic range will be greater also. Remember that you can number the dynamic range like 1 to 10. So if the APS-C sensor, the top level APS-C sensor, the Fujifilm X-T5 can get a dynamic range of 5 to 6. Then you can place the full frame sensor like Canon EOS R5, the Nikon Z7 Mark III, Z6 Mark III, and many one in somewhere between 7 and 7.5. Then you can place the Leica one in 8 and 8.5, because Leica's full frame is little bit better than Nikon, Canon, Sony, Panasonic's in dynamic range. Remember that I am gonna say it, dynamic range issue, because if you are a street photographer, you really need the details in shadow and highlight in post processing. So on that part, a medium format sensor can have a point of 9 to 9.5. and that can be a thing Fujifilm is actually thinking right now. And maybe those guys who really want a little bit more than their conventional Nikon, Canon, or Sony's camera, but don't have that much amount of money to go to the Leica $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 price tag. They maybe, just maybe, come to the Fujifilm world with the Fujifilm GFX R100. Sorry, Fujifilm GFX 100RF. Very tough name. Very, very tough name. But it is what it is. Now they can come to the Fujifilm world because on $5,000 you are having a medium format camera with an humongous 102 megapixel. You are getting a fixed lens, and other thing is quite okay, you are getting a tilting screen so that street photographer can get a good shot like this. They don't have to kneel down like this, they can shoot like this by seeing this. So it's okay, I think they can buy this. Came to this conclusion. I'm not sure that I'm right or not. Let me know in the comment section below. But still somewhere I think that Fujifilm can do two things. Decrease the price to $4,000 maybe. I'm not sure what is the production cost of this camera. Maybe the production cost is higher than $4,000. I'm not sure. But if they price this at $4,000, then I think it can be good. And why they just choose fixed lens? That's an issue, because even if you are a street photographer, you're gonna need different lenses in different point of time, in different scenarios. So why Fujifilm choose this, I'm not sure, but it clearly indicates that there is a certain user base. I was wrong yesterday. Now, the more I think, the more I get a point of creating this camera. But we also have to remember that the user base is so narrow, and those one who are actually using the Leica right now, will they change that to come in the Fujifilm world? I don't think so. I don't think any Leica user will ditch Leica to get a Fujifilm. Yes, they can ditch the Nikon to get Sony, Canon to get Nikon, Sony to get Canon, but the Leica world is little bit different than whatever we think. It's the Apple world, you can think. It's the Apple world, not the Android one. So it's tough. It's tough. But Fujifilm do something, and if they can provide us lens compatible options to choose and change lenses for different scenarios, then I'll give you a thumbs up. But here the fixed lens is an issue for me. I'm not sure what you think, and I really need to know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below that what you are thinking. Are you thinking like I am? Because I just got a point to support Fujifilm because I love them. I used them, I love them. So if you agree, let me know. If you don't agree, of course, let me know in the comment section below. Discuss it. I just want to know the particular reasons that why Fujifilm is doing this. I really know why. So let me know in the comment section below. Bye. Peace.